Did you know that missing just 1 hour of deep sleep each night can shorten your lifespan as much as smoking a half pack of cigarettes a day? Sounds unbelievable, but according to data from Harvard and the University of Warwick, sleep deprivation quietly raises your risk of heart disease, dementia, and even premature death. And here's the shocking part. Most seniors aren't losing sleep because of insomnia. They're losing years because of 3 hidden sleep mistakes that almost no doctor ever talks about. You might think it's your mattress, your pillow, your age, but the truth is, people in countries like Japan, Iceland, and Italy's blue zones, where longevity rates are the highest on Earth, sleep fewer hours than the average American, yet live longer and healthier lives. So what are they doing differently? It's not fancy supplements, melatonin gummies, or white noise apps. It's 3 subtle nightly habits, small enough to ignore, powerful enough to determine how well you age from here on out. If you're over 50 and you've noticed your energy fading, your focus slipping, or your body healing slower than it used to, stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 hidden sleep mistakes that quietly cut years off your life and exactly what to do instead to rebuild your body's natural longevity rhythm from the inside out. Before we dive in, drop a quick comment below. How many hours of sleep did you get last night? You might be surprised how your answer compares by the end of this video. Mistake number 1, the evening light trap. Imagine this. It's 9:30 p.m. You've had dinner, washed the dishes, maybe checked your phone just for a minute. Then suddenly it's 11 p.m. Your mind's buzzing, your eyes are tired, but you're wide awake. Sound familiar? That's not bad luck, it's biology. For most seniors, the biggest sleep killer isn't caffeine, stress, or even pain. It's light. Specifically, the wrong kind of light at the wrong time. When Harvard researchers tracked adults over 50 for 10 years, they found something stunning. Those exposed to bright blue light, from TVs, phones, tablets, or LED bulbs within 2 hours of bedtime, produced 75% less melatonin, the hormone your brain uses to trigger deep, restorative sleep. Less melatonin means less repair, less immune function, and more accelerated aging. It's called the evening light trap, and here's why it's so dangerous. Your brain still thinks it's daytime. Every time you scroll, watch, or even glance at your phone in bed, your eyes send a signal to your brain's suprachiasmatic nucleus, your master clock, saying, stay awake, keep cortisol high, delay recovery. And that delay doesn't just make you groggy tomorrow. It actually suppresses your deep sleep stage, the time when your body releases human growth hormone, the very chemical responsible for repairing cells, joints, and even the brain's waste system that clears out toxins linked to Alzheimer's. So what can you do instead? Try this longevity fix tonight. 2 hours before bed, dim all overhead lights. Switch lamps or bulbs to warm amber tones or candlelight. If you must use your phone, enable night shift or install an app like Flux that blocks blue wavelengths. And most powerful of all, step outside for 10 minutes of morning sunlight within an hour of waking. That single habit helps reset your internal clock faster than any pill. After just a week of this, many seniors report falling asleep up to 40% faster and waking up naturally without an alarm. That's your circadian rhythm healing itself, the way it's supposed to. Because better sleep isn't about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping smarter. Mistake number 2, the overheated bedroom effect. Here's something few people realize. The perfect night's sleep isn't about comfort, it's about temperature. In fact, your body must drop its core temperature by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit to fall into deep, regenerative sleep. But most bedrooms today are doing the opposite. They're turning our nights into slow-motion stress tests. If you're sleeping under heavy blankets, with the room above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, you may be blocking one of your body's most vital repair switches. In a landmark study from the University of South Australia, seniors who slept in cooler rooms, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit,
18 degrees Celsius, showed 30% longer deep sleep duration and significantly lower nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that silently erodes immune, muscle, and memory. That's right, one small thermostat tweak could literally slow down your aging process while you sleep. Here's why. When your environment stays warm, your body can't release heat through your skin efficiently. That traps you in light sleep cycles, the kind where your mind keeps spinning and your muscles never fully relax. And if you're waking up between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m., tossing the covers off one moment and pulling them back the next, that's your body fighting to cool down. This phenomenon is called the overheated bedroom effect, and it quietly robs millions of older adults of the deep sleep that repairs tissues, blood sugar, and clears inflammation. So what's the longevity fix? Keep your bedroom between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, around 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Cooler than you think. Use breathable bedding, cotton, bamboo, or linen instead of polyester. Take a warm shower 30 to 60 minutes before bed. The sudden cool down afterwards signals your brain that it's time to sleep. And here's a secret from the longest living seniors in Okinawa and Sardinia. They often sleep with the windows slightly open, even in winter. That steady flow of fresh air helps stabilize body temperature and oxygen levels through the night. So if you've been waking up groggy, sweaty, or restless, it's not your age, it's your thermostat. Cool it down, and you just might wake up feeling 10 years younger.
Mistake number 3, the midnight snack sabotage. You've probably heard that a little bedtime snack helps you sleep. A glass of milk, a handful of nuts, even a small dessert. But here's the truth. That innocent little snack might be silently cutting years off your life. It's called the midnight snack sabotage, and it disrupts one of the most powerful longevity systems your body has, nighttime cellular repair. See, when you eat within 2 to 3 hours of bedtime, your body has to shift gears from rebuild mode to digest mode. And digestion, especially after age 50, demands serious energy, diverting blood flow away from your brain and muscles right when your body should be detoxing, repairing, and regenerating. Researchers from the University of Madrid followed 2,500 adults over 55 for more than a decade. Those who finished dinner at least 2 hours before bed had 33% lower risk of metabolic disease and significantly lower nighttime inflammation markers, the same kind linked to premature aging, arthritis, and heart strain. When you snack late, insulin spikes, and every time insulin rises at night, melatonin, your sleep hormone, drops. That means your body can't fully enter deep sleep, and your cells can't clear out waste, especially in your brain. This buildup of toxins is now being directly connected to memory loss, fatigue, and dementia risk in later years. So what's the longevity fix? Try finishing your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. Keep dinners lighter, more plants, fewer heavy fats and meats at night. Avoid alcohol right before sleep. While it may make you drowsy, it actually fragments your deep sleep cycles. And if hunger truly hits before bed, choose something tiny, like half a banana or a few slices of kiwi. Kiwis naturally boost serotonin and melatonin production. Here's the beautiful part. When you give your body time to fast overnight, even just 12 hours, say from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., it begins triggering autophagy, your body's built-in cellular recycling system. Think of it as your internal cleanup crew, sweeping away damaged cells, rejuvenating tissues, and reducing inflammation that accelerates aging. It's the simplest anti-aging therapy there is, and it's completely free. So if you want to wake up clearer, lighter, and more energized, don't just count your hours of sleep, count the hours since your last bite. Because longevity doesn't just happen while you're asleep. It happens when you give your body the space to restore itself. The fix: how to reclaim youthful sleep starting tonight. So let's recap. 3 small mistakes, all easy to miss, are quietly aging millions of people from the inside out. 1. The blue light trap, screens that trick your brain into thinking it's daytime. 2. The overheated bedroom effect, sleeping too warm for deep repair. 3. The midnight snack sabotage, eating too close to bedtime, blocking your body's overnight reset. The good news? You can start reversing all 3 tonight and feel a difference by tomorrow morning. Here's your prime longevity sleep protocol, the same blueprint practiced in the world's longest living regions. Step 1. Sunset cutoff. Dim your lights and shut off screens 1 hour before bed. If you can't avoid screens, wear blue light blocking glasses or switch your devices to night shift mode. This single habit restores your natural melatonin rhythm, nature's built-in anti-aging hormone. Step 2. Cool the cave. Drop your bedroom temperature to between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Use breathable sheets, avoid synthetic fabrics, and let a little night air in. Your body will thank you with deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. Step 3. The 3-hour rule. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. Let your body fast, repair, and rejuvenate through the night. Drink water or herbal tea instead, something soothing like chamomile or lemon balm. Combine these, and you'll activate what researchers call the restorative sleep cascade, a nightly rhythm that balances hormones, reduces inflammation, and slows biological aging at the cellular level. And here's the part most people overlook. Longevity isn't built in gyms or clinics. It's built in your bedroom, one night at a time. You don't need new supplements or expensive treatments. You just need to create the right conditions for your body to do what it already knows: heal, restore, and renew itself. So tonight, before you climb into bed, take a moment. Dim the lights, lower the thermostat, skip that late snack. You're not just preparing to sleep, you're preparing to live longer, stronger, and more vibrant years ahead. Because real longevity doesn't start with a pill, it starts with how you sleep. If you found this helpful, help more people discover these simple longevity secrets. Tap the like button. It really supports the channel. Share in the comments what sleep mistake you've been making. I read every one. And don't forget to share this video with someone over 50 who deserves better sleep and longer life. Finally, subscribe to Prime Longevity for weekly science-backed habits to help you live stronger, longer, and sharper than ever before. Because your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for you, just one good night's sleep away.